If you're trying to grow your YouTube channel and actually make money, there's one huge mistake that every new creator makes, including myself, and no one talks about it. And if you think that's bad, here's the worst part. This will actually kill your growth, cause you to get low views for weeks and months. Honestly, I think it's one of the biggest reasons why most YouTubers quit and burn out. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can avoid this. And more importantly, if you've made this mistake, how to fix it quickly so you can continue to grow, make more money, and make your YouTube dream a reality. So make sure you keep watching. Let's get into it. When you started your YouTube channel, did you tell your friends, your family, even your coworkers about it so they could subscribe, watch your videos, and you thought maybe they would support you? That was a huge mistake because that support is actually destroying your channel's growth, reach, and it's signaling to the algorithm the wrong audience to show your videos to. Now, YouTube is not your own personal fan club because if people click on your videos and watch it for 10 seconds and then bounce, YouTube is going to think that the video is horrible, it's going to bury it, and this will lead to no views, and the algorithm will actually categorize your channel as a sucky channel, I hate to say it. Because more than likely, your coworker, your buddy, or your mom is not going to be your ideal audience. So YouTube is going to see that they're clicking off the video and they're not going to be watching it. It's going to kill it. But let's just say in a best case scenario, they watch the video all the way through, they comment, whatever, and they do this for your first few videos. Now, YouTube is interest-based, so it's going to be pushing your videos to viewers that are similar to the people that are watching your videos. So basically, people that watch similar stuff to your mom, your coworkers, your friends, and more than likely, it's not going to be your ideal viewer. So they're going to see it, they're going to click off, or not even going to click on it, and YouTube is going to bury the video. So either way, this is a lose-lose situation. Don't do this. Because random views is actually poison to the algorithm. You need to get crystal clear on who your channel is for, who your audience is, so YouTube can categorize it and push it to the right viewer. So all views are not good views, especially in the beginning. You need the right people to watch your video, engage with it, so YouTube knows who to push it to. It's bringing value to the right people, and you're helping the algorithm to categorize your channel. I'm not saying you can't share your video, but here's a smarter way to go about it. My rule of thumb is for the first day, don't share the video or post it anywhere. Let the algorithm do its thing. But if you're a part of a community or where people would be interested in it, like something about your niche or your topic, you can share it in that community, like Reddit, a Facebook group, or whatever. But like I said, do this after the first day, once it's had at least 24 hours to breathe and let the algorithm do its thing. And instead of wasting your time trying to share it with people, you want YouTube to get good at showing your videos to the right audience. So put that extra time into these things instead. Create content that's going to be search driven and suggested. So something YouTube is going to be suggesting to your audience next to other videos, and see what people are actually searching for and make videos for that. On top of that, you can also leverage shorts for massive exposure and reach and link your long form videos to the related video. Most importantly, master titles and thumbnails, because if people don't click, people don't watch. Now that you know what not to do, let me tell you what to do if you've already made this mistake, because I have, and honestly, every creator that I've became friends with over the last couple of years of being on YouTube, they've all done this as well. So first off, quit sharing your videos with your friends and family. Just stop it. Honestly, if it's someone close that you talk to, just say, hey, do me a favor, I'm experimenting. Unsubscribe from my channel, quit watching it, whatever. Then you need to get very clear on your SEO of your description, the first 3 to 4 sentences of having keywords, not just stuffing keywords, but basically who the video is for, what the video is about, and double down on that. Also, go back to your other videos that maybe your friends or family already watched and the algorithm tanked. Reshare those in communities where your audience is already at, people that actually want to watch your videos. And instead of just spamming it, answer questions, be a part of the community and say, hey, I noticed that this is a common asked question. I have a video to help about this. Or hey, you guys like this kind of stuff? I make content about this. Check this out. But it's about being raw and authentic. So the videos aren't just done, but they are buried. But you can bring them back and revive them if you do it strategically. But the main thing is stop telling people about your channel and let them find you organically, because I hate to say it, my experience on YouTube, along with other creators that I know, your family probably isn't going to care. And this is also going to hinder you in another way that doesn't affect the algorithm. It actually affects your mind. Because if you think, oh, they're going to make fun of me, or if they make wisecracks or make jokes or say this looks stupid, or hey, you did that thing in this video, whatever it is, it's going to cause you a lot more aggravation. And trust me, like I said, I have made this mistake. Everyone that I know does it. Don't be too hard on yourself, but stop doing it today, pivot, and do the rest of the things that I said to do. And you can recover from this and not only grow smarter, but also grow faster by doing the right things and not hindering your growth. Now that you can stop this, you know what not to do, you know what to do. Here's something else you need to be doing if you want to grow your channel faster. And I talk about it in this video. I'll see you over there.